Okay, this is going to be a quick video on these FPV box style goggles. They don't even have a brand name. There's just some kind of generic box goggle here, and has basically a monitor that's in a this little enclosure, and there's a Fresnel lens in here. I mean, it fits nice. At least my face, it's comfortable. This faux leather foam is comfortable. Not a whole lot of light leakage. But the actual electronics aren't very good, and the screen just pops out like this. It's held in with this little, basically a little clip here. Hold it in like that. It's okay. It can pop out and see the glass lens here. I mean, the box itself is fine. The actual screen and the electronics here are not so great. Now you can see it looks very similar to another screen that I reviewed. This is the LDRC. I think the specs are pretty similar in terms of like features and all that. I mean, if you look at the way it's constructed, it's got the switch on the side, micro USB charging, the light there. You have the antenna in the same spot. All the buttons are in the same spot. But whatever they did here to clone this guy, they must have messed up something, because the reception on this one's terrible. I can't fly more than 5-6 feet away, and then I just lose signal. It doesn't matter what antenna I use. I tried switching to this Amway antenna. This is a pretty good Amway antenna. It comes with a the standard dipole antenna that all these come with that you throw away. And the connector here is, I think it's RPSMA, and the one on the LDRC is SMA. So obviously it's not the same electronics. They just kind of use the same case and the same buttons. I think the screen's also different as well. It's a lot dimmer than the LDRC, and just basically it's a single antenna receiver on both of these, but the reception on the LDRC is really good for a single antenna, whereas this one is terrible, so it's pretty much useless. Also, another thing is I noticed is that this screen's a lot lighter than the LDRC, and I think that the battery that's in here is like a lot smaller. I think that's where the weight difference is, and so it doesn't last very long. I think I tried it, went 15-20 minutes, whereas I can go at least 45 minutes on the LDRC, at least currently. Anyway, don't recommend this one, so I'll put a link in the description so you guys can see it and avoid it, and if you see anyone else considering it, tell them not to get this one. This is not a good product, so please tell people not to buy this one. Anyway, that's the end of this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.